We got the cops right there. One time. When I come around this corner, I'm thinking, why are these kids looking at me so weird? I was so confused at first, and then I thought, well, the damage is done. And it is pretty funny, even though I just washed my car. I was a little worried about what my passengers were gonna think, but I'll just explain it. What are these lowriders doing here? Aren't they worried about what's gonna happen to them? It was so kind of them on the Rose Parade route to decorate my car for me.
That's a good one right there.
Oh, it's marshmallow.
Out the video. We're checking out the video.
Wow. Dave let's see. No.
They got me. And I'm back on Colorado, to my dismay. Cops were telling him, throw from the sidewalk, not the street. Yo, when this guy got out of the car, I was like, what's about to happen? But it looks like he just wanted a marshmallow to snack on. And the cops shine the spotlight on him right away. Taco. It's a tortilla. They barely got them. Rose Parade floats getting lined up for the morning. All my years of living in LA, I didn't know this happened. Please like the video. I love videos like this where we get to learn something new. And please ring my notification bell.